Hi, hello, how are you? I'm Robin, welcome back, or welcome to my YouTube channel. This little world right here is half a done room really, but this is Home by MFH. This is my journey. Journey's a wank word, but this is me this is me renovating. Me being the guys that I've got doing some of this work. Oh, the camera's gonna fall, stay there, that would be awful. This is propped on a ladder, so we're gonna have to see how this goes. But this is Sunday. I didn't have any updates for you guys on Friday because, to be honest, I was just exhausted and just kind of wanted a bit of downtime. And today I'm going to measure up the walls because I'm going to buy some paint. I have decided on the paints. There was lots of feedback, especially on DMs on Instagram, about the kind of paint that I should go for. So I have chosen a colour, but I'm going to measure the four walls and the ceiling to see how much primer I need and then how much actual paint I need. And then it'll be like watching paint dry. Okay. Right, I've got my measurements. I know how much I need. With this whole building work, I have felt mildly stressed because I'm not in control. Yes, I'm a control freak. But I've just done what I do best, and I've created an Excel sheet to see how much paint I need. So I've measured all the walls. There you go. And that says the height of each wall, the length of each wall. I've then said about the total area per room, the primer, 1 coat, 2 coats, and then it spits it out onto how much paint I need per room. Here, I do need to chill the fuck out really, but this makes me feel good. So yes, I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna get this now. Hello, happy Monday. This place is a bit tidier than it was because from tonight I'm gonna be sleeping in here. I'll be working and sleeping in my office. Duart has also got a guy called John, so he is gonna be doing some work on this too, but this is slightly tidier, all that flooring. Taking a walk through the corridor to the bedroom. You can see the radiator's gone. This is all my stuff, don't judge me. I mean, that is my life right there, an upturned chair. And then the big news of today is, the big news that I can't remember, is there's an undercoat. Praise be. Undercoat is on. Oh, and also, sorry, all the plug sockets are going in. So I've added 6 in here. There was 2 before. So those are new. 1, 2. That was the original one. That is a new one. I thought just get 2 in there. There's going to be an outdoor one which will come that way onto the balcony. And then there's one here. There, if you can see that. And then one tucked in there, because I'm thinking about having a concealed television in there. And that's your Monday, right there. Hi, so the work on my bedroom starts today. Same thing again, bringing the walls in just ever so slightly for some new sockets, insulation, and the ceiling. I did a bit of a colour chart here. I want this to be dark. You can let me know as ever. That's a Valspar, again that will be matte if I went with it, called La Plancha. Dinner Jack, which I quite enjoy, again matte, but that's a grey blue. That is Railings Farrow and Ball. Sapphire Salute is too blue for me, way too blue. I don't like that so much either. These are both Farrow and Ball too. But oh, that's the Builders. Late today, boys. Come on, had a coffee waiting for you. I'll talk to you later. Bedroom has been started. You can see this wall is going to be sealed up. That was the cupboard behind. So that is no longer. Same thing again, straps. Be all the way around the radiator. There won't be one on this wall because the door is there. Not much to see in here, to be honest. It's very cold in here, so that's getting shut. But the big news of today is the painting. I have my first coat of paint. I really should have had 2 coats of paint today. Was a little slow. But there is 1 coat of paint. It's a few bits that have been missed, but we'll get on. Oh look, there you go. That's it. It's green, isn't it? That is green. Yeah. A little frustrating call earlier where I was told it was turquoise. No. I mean, you can see that needs to be obviously painted again, but it is green. It's marble green. I really like it. I really like it. It feels deep. It feels dark. And I think, you know, seeing it there looks really, really good. There you go. That's been today. That has been Tuesday. Get to hear it in my face. Wednesday done. Is this on properly? Yes, it is. Wednesday done. It has been a day. I felt really tired with all of this today. 2 weeks in, Robin. You've literally got until probably like February to do this. So tired. I had super noodles for lunch today. Don't judge me. They actually were quite good. And I've just had a beer at my desk. So this has been a day where I thought and hoped that this painting would be done. I originally thought 2 days max would be okay. Like a day for priming, and then it's like a quick drying paint, so I thought like another day. But that is on Wednesday, and there's still more painting to be done. I think it's a really great colour, and we'll obviously be able to see it better when it's done. The floor has been pulled up, that laminate is gone, and it's this plastic underneath. It's literally directly onto that concrete, and then the flooring can start to go down. I like this room. It feels very festive. I'm hoping it feels just as good in the height of summer. So, well done. And then, in the bedroom, there's been quite a transformation. Jewett is just a trooper. He's waiting on some materials from the building company who seem to be a little slack, to say the least, but he is just powering on. Let me show you. Why do builders love Fanta? There's a huge one in the living room, and there's now a small one here. Fanta. Hello if you're a builder and you enjoy Fanta. The ceiling is also getting done. That will be rock wooled for a bit of insulation. It's very echoey in here. I measured out where my bed would be. My bed is going to be a huge king-size bed, which is going to fit in here, then bedside tables, and then double sockets either side. There. And hello, where are you? There, and then more sockets around, but there'll be 6 in total. My dad had seen this place, and my dad kind of got into his head like 7 sockets here, 6 sockets here, 564 sockets there, and it all became a bit much. So now there's actually only 6 going in the living room instead of the 7 that I was supposed to have. Tomorrow I'm hoping that do you know what, the painting is going to be done. Otherwise people are going to be here until midnight to get that sorted. There you go. Hi, how are you? I got quite pissed last night, I'm going to be honest with you. Just felt a bit stressed out and just sat and I had literally 2.5 gins. But I've been off the sauce for a bit, so yeah, felt like I've been struggling a bit today, just very tired. But today has been a good day. There has been quite some movement with, look at that green, you're going to see that in a second. Quite some movement with the builders. I had a meeting with a project manager who was very good and just sort of went through everything with me, so it's made me a bit happier. We have the new walls on, so that cupboard is completely tidied up. This is ready for the rock wool, that will go in tomorrow. And look at this, this is the lino that was underneath the floor in here, and I don't hate that. I mean, obviously I'm not keeping it, but it's quite fun, isn't it? And then this is my wooden floor. I went with a golden oak. Don't know if I told you this. Went with a golden oak, and it is 18mm, and it's beautiful, and I absolutely love it. So that is out here acclimatizing, getting used to itself and its surroundings, before it goes down. But into the living room, put a pause on the paint. They want to do another coat, and they've kind of just tidied up little bits, so you'll see some splodges and things, and that's why. So we paused the paint today, no painting, everything sort of dried out. We've got the wooden floor out again to acclimatise. That's got to go out when everything is dry. So the painting has paused, but I'm going to show you this. Look, beautiful, isn't it? My golden oak, 18mm solid wood floor. That's the underlay that I'm using. That is Sonic Gold, and it feels great. I have had my little peepers on here. I can take this off. Nice and thick. I think this is 5mm, the Sonic. and then 18 mils. So that's giving another quick mental maths 2.3 millimeters right there. But this is great. So this is just acclimatizing, getting itself sorted, and then we can get it in. And then it'll be skirting boards, liners, and this room should be finished, like in time for Christmas. But I've still to decide if I'm gonna have a Christmas here. Cliffhanger. I just think I might be pushing it a bit. I've kind of been like, get it done, get this done, get this done. And I don't want to rush it. Christmas is, I find it special and it's exciting and whatever else, but it is just another day, and this home is going to be lasting for longer than that day. So I want it to be right. But thank you very much for watching. Hope you're still enjoying this. My Instagram is now finally updated. I was doing the odd story, but now there's actually grid posts, and I'll update this as I go because this is weekly, but those will be when anything of excitement happens. It's not perfectly curated or created. It's just kind of moments as they happen. So you're not going to get one of those home accounts from me. It's just going to be sort of the realness. But thank you very much for watching. If you're still new to this, you still not pressed subscribe, then please do hit subscribe right now. The button is there. So some more video suggestions down there. That's like the 2 videos that have gone before it. Or is it 3? 2 videos that have gone before it there. And there'll be other bits around. But until my next new video, bye-bye.